I moved a little bit closer. Oh, there goes that neck thing again. See how it's wiggling its neck? It's just warming up its neck muscles for swallowing something really big. Oh, maybe that's the equivalent of mouth watering for a great blue heron. Oh, it just got a fish. Son of a gun. How cool. I caught the egret and the heron catching a fish. Now it gets a little water to wash it down. Yeah. Sorry folks, I am so far zoomed. So it's basically washing down the fish now. Trying to drink some water and wash the fish down. Looks like it's eating a little dirt or something to go along with it. Maybe it's just trying to scrape something off its beak. Scraping off the fish slime. How about that? Just jumped up, flew over a few feet, and grabbed that fish. Now what's it finding? Oh, still just drinking.
Are you a bird watcher?
Well, yeah, photographing them. I like
nice
these
picture.
great blue herons.
Yeah.
And, you know, they're...
Yeah, but that's a nice picture.
Uh-huh. Let's see what else it does. Well, it's nice that it's not so windy today, so the camera's not just hearing the roar. I think it's a great blue heron. You can see it really good in the view right there.
What am I looking through here?
No.
Oh.
Down there.
Oh, here. Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah. Are they not, there's not very many of them around here, or?
Well, there are a few, but I think they're a fairly rare bird. They're kind of a predator bird. You definitely see them in the springtime, and there's a lot of ducklings because that's one of their main food sources.
Oh, the little baby duck.
Yep.
Yeah, they're
but
around.
I just saw them eat fish. There was an egret that came, and I caught. There's that egret again. I caught it catching a fish, and then this one flew over and it caught a fish too.
Oh, really?
And that's the one time I've ever been able to catch them on camera. It was amazing.
Oh, okay. Seemed like I was out here the other day and I saw him out here too. Before.
Oh yeah. This one is out here quite often. I've been taking pictures and videos of this one for a couple of weeks, and I run into it every few days.
Okay, but you don't see very many of them though, right? No.
No, I think they're pretty territorial.
Oh, really?
I'm guessing this is probably, the main female or something for this area.
Are they kind of a mean bird? Like if you approach it, it'll get aggressive, or does it fly off and stuff?
They're real skittish. It's hard to get anywhere. Like this is about as close as you can get before they leave the scene.
Oh, really? Okay.
They're very shy.
Okay. Take care.
You too. Well, the egret's down just a little ways from me now, and I don't know which one I want to try to get a shot of. This one's not doing much anymore. Trying to digest that fish. So I'm guessing the egret's probably doing the same thing. Maybe it's time to move on a little bit. See what else there is in the park.